Teaching, a noble calling indeed. As you pursue your studies of classroom methodology, I invite you to read a new book about another side of our profession. Born to Teach will take you on a journey of discovery. William Mancuso, Professor of Art at Ohio Northern University. In a world where people's lives are continually being reduced to numbers, Born to Teach is a song to the wiggliness of life. It's a story about finding one's bliss and following it through the labyrinth of academic disdain for human complexity. As you read, you'll be reminded of the interconnectedness of life and lives, and by our loves and losses in helping us to address the elemental questions of what it means to experience life. Scott Fessler, Professor of Music Composition at the Berklee School of Music. Jeff and I have both made careers in teaching. I think he would agree with me that to be an effective teacher is to provide guidance, facilitation, collaboration, empowerment, concern, and at least a little humor. That this is true will become evident in Born to Teach. Jeff is directly responsible for my decision to go to music school, and by extension for my musical career. I just don't know if I should thank him or come after him with a baseball bat. As my 14-year-old daughter would say, just kidding, about the baseball bat, that is. Seriously, after all these years, I just can't imagine being satisfied doing anything else. Continue your studies, become the teacher you aspire to be, for as you teach, so you learn. Born to Teach is a torch song for one man's love for his wife and family, for his students, for teaching, and ultimately for all the terrible beauty that life has to offer. For more information about Born to Teach and its author, visit www.jeffresnick.com.